Okay, here we've got some woodpecker holes. Everything popped off. Ooh, too easy. Alright, if you can see here, I'm at my aunt and uncle's place today, so I'm going to try to do this solo, just because I should be able to. I'm taking down this birch. Alright, I'm going to go up in a birch. Be dropping some things as I go, find out if this is something that I could do solo, or if I need to come back to take care of it. Just noticed that it clearly was somebody's clothesline at some point in history, so I'll need to keep that in mind. Ooh, yeah, it's rotten. The power line right over here complicates things just a tiny bit. Otherwise, it would be an easier job than it is.
You might actually notice that I hesitate here when I'm setting up my lifeline, and it's because this is the first moment where I start to think, maybe I shouldn't be up here right now.
The rock climber in me likes the figure 8 and the 2 carabiner system.
And this is the moment where I say to myself, don't do anything stupid. I can do this later with help. I don't need to do anything dumb.
Oop. Well, that's alright. Okay, here we've got some woodpecker holes. Everything popped off. Too easy. That might sound funny, but not super comfortable climbing all the way up there where I would need to get in order to not hit that line. So this is something I'll have to come back at another time, because there's different ways we can rig this, but it actually probably doesn't need to be rigged too much. Dick, I don't think I'm gonna go all the way up. These branches that were breaking off were coming off really easy. And I've got to get pretty high to make sure that they don't hit the line. So I think it's just a better idea to come at it with another person here. And anybody that's never used spikes, it's so much easier to go up than it is to come down. We get tag lines on. You could probably drop it right in here. These ones would be a little tougher to use a tag line, but that's probably a little stronger over there too.
Alright, now all of you tree climbers out there, tell me what you think. Should I have just climbed up a little bit further, or did I make the right call? Keep in mind, it's birch. You saw what you saw. So, what should I have done? What would you have done?
Ooh.
Well, this wasn't supposed to be a two-part video, but whether I chickened out or not, go hit subscribe because you want to find out if I actually took that tree down or not. Thank you for watching.